Hey HGTV Handmade, I'm Cassidy and it's great to meet you. DIY snow globes are super in right now, so we are going to make some of those today, and they literally take zero skill, but it's going to be next level. Actually, 3 levels. Let's get started. I don't love these green trees, but what I do love is super snowy trees. So I'm going to use this acrylic paint and glitter to add that snowy effect. Making clumps gives it more of a natural snow look. So now add the glitter effect. Glitter haters, be warned. Get those shop vacs ready. And that is literally the hardest part of the project. These are dollar store fish bowls, and I got 2 medium and this one that's just a little bit smaller. Okay. So we're gonna start with the base for our snow globe man. This is the part where you can let your creativity shine. For me, I really like glitter and woodsy stuff, so I'm just gonna make it with some more natural elements. So these are the Christmas trees that we painted earlier. They're now dry. So we're gonna take our hot glue gun on a low setting, since we're putting it to glass, placing it into our base. Now add a layer of fine snow. Now disperse the snow however you would like. What's a snowman without a top hat? So we're gonna make one today, and it's not gonna be a traditional one. We wanna make something that's more stylish and goes with our theme. I found a lid just a little bit larger than the top of the fishbowl. So we're gonna use that to trace. You could glue them, but then you wouldn't be able to store them as easily at Christmas time, and if something fell, you wouldn't be able to get in there and fix it. I also found this ribbon in the store that I thought would be a perfect scarf for a snowman. And it's wired, so you don't even have to tie a knot. You just wrap it around itself and it'll hold it in place. I'm then going to use my top so that it will hold the scarf in place. All that's left is the top hat. Okay, you guys, we did it. You have 3 levels, just like we talked about. And it's absolutely perfect, and it was so easy to do. I mean, this crafting is for everyone, literally everyone. So Also, one note to remember is that if you do have dogs that kind of jump around or act crazy, or you have wild roommates that are also jumping around kind of crazy, then you'll want to keep this on a top shelf or somewhere high so that it doesn't get knocked over. So tell us in the comments below how you would do this different, or what you liked about this project, and what you would stuff your snowman with. And I look forward to seeing it, and like us with a big thumbs up, subscribe. See you soon. Welcome to Crazy Cassie! With Cassie. I did it!